Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox Hot Wheels, another set. So let's start with this one. Let me just show you. So this is a 66 Buick Rivera, and I personally do like Buick, so I bought this one. And this one is my personal favorite in this set. This is the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer, and so the paint scheme looked really nice, so I bought it. And this one, the Fiat 500e. I don't remember if I have this in my collection or not, but the golden color with this red rims looked really nice, so I went ahead and bought it. And one of my personal favorite in this particular set is the Subaru BRZ. So it has this bumper and everything that looks really nice, even though it doesn't have any headlight details or tail light details at all. So there is going to be 50-50, like 50% disappointment, 50% satisfaction, I guess. Let's see. And another one, so this is the first time I'm seeing this casting in Hot Wheels, at least from my end. I'm sure there might be the casting, there will be a lot of castings in Hot Wheels for this particular brand, so which is Humvee. I really don't own any Hummer castings in Hot Wheels. I honestly never saw one, so this is the first time I saw one actually, so I went ahead and bought it. So by the looks of it, it does look like, the entire body looks like plastic, and chassis looks kind of metal. So we need to unbox and see if that's the case. And last but not least, the one which I really loved in this particular set when I picked it, and there was only one at that point of time, so which is this one, the Volkswagen T2 pickup. Again, I'm not sure from which case all these cars are. It's a mix of all like A, B, and C cases. So it does looks really nice. So let's hope it stays nice even after unboxing. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for all these unboxing videos, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.